This is my 1956 ranch style home. I posted some kitchen updates a few months ago here on YouTube, and now it's springtime and I am updating the outside of my home. Last summer, I made some updates to the backyard. This summer, I'm concentrating somewhat on the front yard and the backyard. When I purchased this house, I inherited over 14 different trees and bushes that line the front of this house. And while I love every single one of them, I think they shaped the house nicely. They were severely overgrown, especially the bushes that were on the right hand side there. As you can see, there's a missing space because I ended up taking out one of the evergreen trees because it was dead, and then the tree to, well, both the bushes to the left and the right of it was severely overgrown, and I could not get back in there to trim up and prune them the way I wanted to. So here I am now trying to figure out what I want to plant in this empty spot, wondering if this bush will flower again, or did I put it under stress from chopping it back last summer, wondering what I should do to the bush that's next to it that's still overgrown and has like missing greenery on that left side of the tree. But I was really taking interest in this particular bush here, just noticing that there were some buds that were, starting to form from it. So I'm very hopeful that it will start to bloom and new things just start to grow from it. It does look a little bald and sparse in the back. In the front, it's more fuller. I mean, this thing was like really full all the way around. It was just really tough getting into it. Was not only was it full, but it was also tall. It reached almost halfway up to that window, just as tall as the other tree that's next to it now. So I'm really trying to figure out what I want to do this particular area. There is another evergreen tree that's right behind the azalea bush, which is closest to the stairs. And then there's this tree as well as the empty space, and then the tree that has the missing greenery here. So yeah, so this little area here is going to be a challenge for me this summer.